Hi, welcome to this jewelry making tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a necklace and a pendant using metal beads, a pyrite bead, different other beads. I will use these small golden beads, a bead cap. And to make the necklace I will also need some findings and some tools. If you're ready, let's begin. First of all, we shall talk about what we need in order to create this necklace with pendant. So as I've just told you, we shall need some findings in order to connect our beads and also some tools. So we shall need some findings to create the pendant and other findings to create the necklace. For the necklace, I will use some black nylon cord. I have chosen this thin nylon cord. And I will need some fold-over cord ends for the necklace, some jump rings, and lobster claw clasp in order to close and open the necklace. For the pendant, I will need this head pin, and I will also use this snap-on bail. As tools, I will need pliers. These are the chain nose pliers, and you can recognize them because they are pointed here and because their surface is lacking any teeth. So as you can see, the surface is very smooth without teeth, so that it does not scratch our findings. I will also need a jump ring opener for the jump rings. And to make the pendant, we shall need these two pliers, the cutting pliers and the round nose pliers. The cutting pliers, as the name implies, are used for cutting metal and the wire of our pin. And the round nose pliers, because they are rounded here, they are used to create the loops. So we shall create the loop of our pendant. For the nylon string, I shall also use, if necessary, I shall use a pair of scissors and a lighter. In order to measure the length of our yarn, we can use a measuring tape. And now let's begin making our necklace with pendant. Let's begin with the pendant. So I will take first of all our head pin. As you can see, the head pin has this part here which looks like the end of a nail, and it stops the beads from sliding out of our pin. So I shall put the first bead on the head pin, and as you can see, it stops at the point where you have the end of the head pin, like this. And now I will add a bead cap, like this. I will add the pyrite bead. So this is a natural bead, a gemstone. Then I will add the metal bead, like this, and I will add another small bead to mark the end of the pendant. And now I have this part here. Let's see from a closer distance. This is where we have to make a loop. In order to make a loop, the first step will be to bend this wire of the head pin. So whenever you bend this wire, you must not bend it precisely above the last bead, because you risk to break this bead, especially if it is a small bead, if it is made of a gemstone or of plastic or glass. These beads can break easily if you do not let some space between the bead and the place where you bend. So I will let about 1 millimeter of space until the point where I bend the pin, and I will grab. As you can see, I have left 1 millimeter of space here, and I will bend the pin like this with the pliers, like this. So I bend the pin to 90 degrees like this, and now I will measure so that our pin is not too long when I create the loop. I will grab the tip of the pin and cut a little bit of this tip with the cutting pliers, like this. And now let's make the loop. In order to make the loop, I will take the round nose pliers, grab the tip of the pin and start rolling around the rounded tip of my round nose plier. So as you can see, I will roll this way until I have created this loop, like this. And now my pendant has a loop here. This way. Now I will take the bail and open it like this. As you can see, I have opened the bail. I will put the pendant on the bail and I will close it like this. And the pendant is ready. And now let's create the necklace. So I have these two ends of my string of the cord, and I will create a small knot here, exactly at the end of the cord. This way. And I will take the fold over cord end and fold it over the knot and the cord. Like this. So as you can see, I am pressing on the fold over cord end, and especially on the lower part under the knot, so that it does not allow the knot to slide out like this. So the most important thing is to press on the lower part here, so that the knot, which is larger, does not come out through this area. This way. So we have attached the fold over cord end, and now I shall take one of those jump rings and open it with the pliers and the jump ring opener this way. I will put it through my cord end here, and I will also take the lobster claw clasp and put it on the jump ring. Now I can close the jump ring. This way. And this end of my cord of the necklace is ready. Now we shall do the same steps on the other end of the necklace cord. So I'll begin with the knot. I'll put the knot again into the fold over cord end, like this. I will close the fold over cord end like this, and again I will press on the lower part of the fold over cord end to prevent the knot from slipping out. Like this. And again I will take the jump ring and open it. I will put the jump ring on the fold over cord end and close it. This way. And now let's see if we can open and close the necklace. So the necklace is ready, and let's also add the pendant to the necklace. I will close the necklace again, and the pendant, the necklace with the pendant, is ready. So this is our finished necklace with pendant. So this is the finished necklace and pendant, and so I hope that you liked this video, and thank you for watching.